Hey, I'm Big Lou, and this is Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do, and this is what I've got going on for you. Tonight, we're going to do some wings on the KettlePizza Kit for the Weber Kettle. The KettlePizza Deluxe Kit, yeah, it's kind of expensive, and I'm not a big pizza person, and because I'm from Louisiana, gourmet pizza is kind of an oxymoron around here. Pizza's kind of like, you know, frozen burritos, just something you eat when you got nothing else to eat. Don't really get into pizza. But pizza can be good when it's cooked in a fire oven, and the KettlePizza turns your Weber kettle into a pizza oven. And I've tried to cook all sorts of things in it. I've cooked catfish, I've cooked burgers, I've cooked vegetables. I've got all kind of KettlePizza videos you can see down there. By the way, I didn't pay full price. I got mine at Walmart for 40 bucks 2 years ago. But we got some of those what do you call them? Little Caesars fundraiser pizzas. I buy some from the school every year. Last summer, we cooked some up when the kids had their cousins over. You can see that video. I'll have the link down below. There'll be an iCard above. And so we're cooking those up. And one thing I've never cooked on the KettlePizza is wings. The instructions to the KettlePizza says on the top grill grate, if you got 2 grill grates, you put one on top and you can cook wings up there. So I've got half a dozen chicken wings. I cut them up into drumettes and flats. That's a dozen. I'm gonna throw a dozen wings up there while we cook pizza. Let's see how that works. Thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue. All right, well, I got this package of Tyson wings. We're gonna cut them up here, and I'm gonna use some Rich's River Dirt Hot and Spicy. Been wanting to try this on wings. You know what, I tried it on some popcorn, pretty good. Tried the all-purpose on popcorn too, it's pretty good. Anyway, Rich sent this to me a while back. I did a review of it. I'm not doing this video to, you know, promote his rub, but I do want to tell you, I'm using it on the wings today, so there we go. All right, you know why? Because it's good. I don't have to do a video with it, with the stuff. He sent it to me, I did a video. Good enough, you know? But guess what? I got it, it's good, and I'm gonna continue to use it. And I'm gonna let you know that I'm continuing to use it. All right, your chicken wings have 3 parts. The drumette, the flat, and the tip. This has 1 bone in it. It'd be equivalent to your upper arm, the humerus bone. This has 2 bones in it. It'd be equivalent to your radius and ulna, and so it's the flat, and this is the tip. That'd be like, you know, well, chickens don't have hands, but I got different names for it. All right, and I'll show you what they are. Okay, the way you do it, you break the knuckle up. You break the knuckle up. You get a knife. If it's hard to cut, you cut it in the wrong place. Okay, and just cut them through just like that. The skin is the hardest part to cut. You need to sharpen that knife. Come on, skin. Dang. All right, man. Well, the bone's the hardest cut part if you cut it in the wrong place. All right, so then you got the chicken wings cut into 3 parts. So you got the oneser, the twoser, and the catfish bait. All right, well, I got them all cut up. And no, I'm not wearing gloves today, but you know what? It's my kitchen, and it's a modern kitchen, and we have modern conveniences like indoor plumbing. And I washed my hands with soap and water after touching the raw chicken, so that, and I touch this, I don't get chicken grease all over it. We're just gonna hit these wings with this, just like that. I'm gonna kind of pat it in. That one needs more. They need a lot. All right. And then we're going to turn them over, do the same thing. I'm going to throw them in the Ziploc bag, put them back in the fridge so we're ready to cook. All right, they're all seasoned up. You're going to drop them into the Ziploc bag, throw them in the ice box. I'll be preparing some jalapeno poppers and got to put the pizzas together. So get that done. These will be in the fridge for an hour, maybe an hour and a half before I put them on the grill. This is that Little Caesars school fundraising kit. Comes with sausage, pepperoni, and applewood smoked bacon, 3 cheese packs, sauce, and 3 crust. I'm making a pepperoni one with some chorizo on it. I've got some Rabelais Provincia herbs I'm gonna put on the sausage pizza. And I've got dried pineapple from nuts.com. It's got that powdered sugar on it, and that's what I'm gonna put on the bacon pizza. That stuff is good to eat just like that. I've already eaten most of that bag. All right, and I've got some coconut chips I'm gonna throw on there too. Now I've put pineapple and coconut on that bacon pizza, and both my kids said we fall down on the pineapple doesn't belong on pizza side of the pineapple pizza debate. And I said, you know what? It's our pizza. I'll put what I want to on there. Troll bait, troll bait. Hey, it's got the Provincia herbs on the sausage pizza, and we got the chorizo on the pepperoni. Okay, I got the lump charcoal here. I've got a few pieces under the stone. It's all around the back like they say to do, and I've got some mesquite wood in there. We're gonna get this thing hot, y'all, hot. Okay, we're gonna put the top rack right here, and this is where the Kettle Pizza instructions say that the wings can go. So let's get the wings on. I'm just gonna set them here. I guess I don't really want them over the pizza itself, but we'll see. Got the wings in a circle so it doesn't go drip right onto the pizzas. Probably gonna cook the pepperoni pizza first, then we'll do the pineapple pizza last. Pepperoni pizza's going in first. I think that's it. Okay, this is the pepperoni pizza, and it looks just about done, but what I'm gonna do is something called doming it. If you've got the Kettle Pizza Deluxe and you don't have the Kettle Pizza Pro, you can hold it up close to the dome just for a few seconds and really put a crust on that cheese. Woo!
Cheese.
So let's see how these wings are looking. 146, they're not too far. 169, some of them are done. Some of them are done. You know what, the flats are done. Flats are done. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them off and rotate these around before we put the next pizza on. I let them go a little longer, and I have checked the tip on all of them, and they are done. They're charred a little bit on the bottom, these that were over the back. The ones in the front actually look real good. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That looks real good. So that's the way you do it. Maybe I should have put them all right over the pizza, but then I don't think the pizza would have cooked as well. So get these off of here. This one's stuck. Come on off. There we go. Oh, that's pretty on that side. I'll make up some buffalo sauce while these next pizzas cook. All right, well, there's the wings on the Kettle Pizza. And we made up some buffalo sauce with crystal hot sauce and a half stick of butter. That's the only thing I measured. The rest, probably about 2 ounces of hot sauce and some garlic and herb seasoning. There's the pepperoni pizza. It came out the prettiest. There's the sausage pizza. I'll let the pineapple pizza go in there a little longer. The crust is going to be a little dark. And some of you anti-pineapple pizza people are going to say, hey, that's poetic justice. All right, Hannah and I are ready for the taste test. Eli's tasting it off camera. How is it, Eli?
Delicious.
Delicious? I'll put that Rich's River dirt on there. All right. Yeah, it burned a little bit in that pineapple pizza. I'm gonna tell you about the Kettle Pizza here in a minute. Let's do this taste test real quick with buffalo wings. If it works, got another wing cooker. Use a Kettle Pizza for wings. Yeah, they're good.
Yeah, they're really good.
They're good.
Sauce is good and that rub is good. Taste the rub.
The buffalo sauce, just butter, crystal hot sauce, and some garlic and herb season. Easy. All right, guys, I gotta eat.
You can really taste the rub. It's good.
Yeah, Rich's rub, that's awesome. It really is. Okay, y'all, I know y'all waiting for this. Pineapple pizza. All right, the bottom got a little black. Look, if you get a Kettle Pizza and you're cooking subsequent pizzas, the subsequent pizzas burn on the bottom. I've learned that. I've only used it a few times a year. I've had it for 2 years, and I've only used it maybe 2 or 3 times each year. So I've only used it about half a dozen times for pizza. And what I've noticed is is that as the stone gets hotter, the subsequent pizzas are likely to burn on the bottom more because the stone's sitting in there and you're putting more pizzas on it, but the stone's just getting hotter and hotter and hotter. All right, but I'm trying the pineapple pizza. Pineapple bacon coconut pizza. Pretty darn good. Bye, y'all. And now, in accordance with the Fairness Doctrine, we present the opposing viewpoint from Princess Hannah.
I would like to clarify the pineapple pizza argument. It is not that I and the brother are opposed to pineapple pizza. It is that we would rather have pineapple pizza on something like a bacon than with a chicken or an everything pizza. That just doesn't make too much sense to us.
Thank you.